Stay safe, DIY woodworking safety tips. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of woodworking, safety should be your top priority. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's crucial to keep safety in mind at all times. In this script, we'll walk you through some essential safety tips to ensure your woodworking projects are not only fun and fulfilling, but also safe and accident-free. Let's dive in. Gear up. Before you even think about picking up a tool, make sure you're geared up with the right safety equipment. This includes safety goggles, ear protection, and a dust mask. These simple items can make a world of difference in protecting your eyes, ears, and lungs from potential hazards. Know your tools. Each woodworking tool has its own set of safety guidelines. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the proper usage and safety precautions for each tool you'll be using. Whether it's a table saw, drill press, or chisel, knowing how to use them safely is key. Keep it clean. A cluttered workspace is a recipe for accidents. Keep your work area clean and organized to prevent tripping over tools or materials. Plus, a tidy workspace allows you to focus on your project without unnecessary distractions. Sharp and secure. Always ensure that your tools are sharp and properly secured. Dull tools can slip and cause accidents, while loose parts can lead to unexpected mishaps. Regularly inspect and maintain your tools to keep them in top-notch condition. Mind your hands. Your hands are your most valuable tools in woodworking. Always be mindful of where your hands are in relation to the cutting or drilling area. Use clamps or a vise to secure your workpiece, keeping your hands at a safe distance from sharp edges and moving parts. Take it slow. Rushing through a woodworking project is a surefire way to invite accidents. Take your time and work at a comfortable pace. This not only reduces the risk of mistakes, but also allows you to maintain better control over your tools and materials. Stay focused. Woodworking requires your full attention. Avoid distractions and stay focused on the task at hand. Whether you're measuring, cutting, or sanding, being fully present in the moment can prevent costly errors and potential injuries. Educate yourself. Continuous learning is key to staying safe in woodworking. Stay updated on safety practices, new tools, and techniques through reputable sources such as woodworking forums, instructional videos, and safety workshops. Seek assistance. If you're unsure about a particular woodworking technique or tool, don't hesitate to seek guidance from experienced woodworkers. Learning from others' experiences can help you avoid common pitfalls and stay safe in your woodworking journey. Listen to your body. Lastly, listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued or unfocused, take a break. Woodworking requires mental and physical alertness, so it's important to know when to step back and regroup. By following these safety tips, you can enjoy the world of DIY woodworking while minimizing the risk of accidents. Remember, safety isn't just a rule, it's a mindset. Happy woodworking, and stay safe.